How to extend video in Google Flow. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video in Google Flow and create longer, more compelling content with AI-generated footage. If you've been working with Google Flow and VO3, you might think your videos are limited to short 8-second clips, but that's not true. Google Flow has a powerful extend feature that lets you chain multiple clips together seamlessly, creating videos that are 30 seconds, a minute, or even longer. In the next few minutes, I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Let's break this down into simple steps. Step 1. Create your first video clip. Start by logging into Google Flow with your account. Create a new project and make sure VO3 is selected as your active model. Write a detailed prompt describing your opening scene. Include the setting, characters, lighting, and camera movement. For example, you might write a wide shot of a sunset over mountains, with warm golden lighting and soft wind in the trees. Click Generate and VO3 will create your first 8-second clip. Step 2. Access the Extend feature. Once your clip is generated, click on it to select it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several editing options. Look for and click the Extend button. This tells Google Flow that you want to continue this scene rather than start something new. Step 3. Write your continuation prompt. A prompt box will appear. This is where you describe what happens next in your video. Keep it specific but concise. You might write, "The camera slowly pans right," revealing a silhouette of a person standing on a cliff edge. You can also leave the prompt empty and let VO3 automatically continue the motion seamlessly. Click Generate and wait for your second clip. Step 4. Build your complete scene. Your new 8-second clip will appear directly after your first segment. You can repeat steps 2 and 3 as many times as you need. Each time you click Extend and Generate, you're adding another continuous section. This means you can build a 30-second scene with 4 clips, a 1-minute video with 8 clips, or whatever length your creative vision requires. Step 5. Arrange and preview. Once you have all your clips generated, use Flow's storyboard editor to review your full sequence. You can rearrange clips, adjust transitions, and preview everything together. When you're satisfied with your video, download it as one complete continuous file. Pro tip: the key to smooth extensions is using the last frame as your reference. Before you write your continuation prompt, pause on the final frame of your current clip. Describe what happens next based on exactly where that frame leaves off. This creates natural, seamless transitions between clips. Also, keep your prompts consistent in tone and style, so your entire video feels cohesive rather than disjointed. Important limitation: you can currently only extend videos that were generated by VO3 inside Google Flow. If you've uploaded your own footage, the Extend feature won't work on those clips. This is a VO-generated feature. Summary: you now know how to transform short AI clips into longer, professional videos. You can build narratives, create cinematic sequences, and tell complete stories by chaining clips together with the Extend feature. The process is simple: generate, extend, describe what happens next, and repeat. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more Google Flow and AI video creation tips. Comment below and tell me what kind of longer video you're planning to create with this technique. Thanks for watching and happy creating.